Hi there, I'm Mrs. English. Today we'll practice 200 sentences together to help you speak with confidence. Listen, repeat, and remember, you can pause anytime. If you find this lesson helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to join our classroom. And don't forget to share this with a friend who is also learning. Ready? Let's begin. I like team sports. Team sports are fun. Do you play team sports? We play soccer together. Soccer is a team sport. Basketball is popular here. My team practices every week. She plays on our team. He is a good player. Our team wears blue shirts. The game starts at 3. We need 11 players today. Do you have a team? I watch team sports on TV. Football is my favorite sport. The players run very fast. Our coach is very nice. She teaches us new skills. We practice twice a week. The team wins many games. Baseball is a fun sport. They play volleyball at school. My brother loves team sports. We wear uniforms on game day. The ball is round and white. I pass the ball to you. You catch the ball well. He scores a goal today. Our team is very happy. We celebrate after the game. Do you like basketball games? The court is very big. We play hockey in winter. Ice hockey needs special equipment. My team practices every Monday. She is the team captain. The captain leads the team well. We listen to our coach. He gives us good advice. Team sports need good teamwork. I work with my teammates. We help each other always. The referee watches the game. He blows the whistle loudly. Our team scores 3 points. The other team plays well. We shake hands after playing. Good sportsmanship is very important. I respect all the players. Team sports teach us many things. We are learning to play rugby now. Rugby is a popular British sport. The players tackle each other hard. I prefer non-contact team sports better. Volleyball doesn't have much contact usually. We need 6 players for volleyball. The net is in the middle. I serve the ball over the net. She jumps very high to block. Our team practices serving every day. The coach wants us to improve. We are getting better each week. Last week we won our first game. Everyone on the team was excited. I felt very proud of us. My parents came to watch me. They cheered loudly from the stands. Team sports bring families together often. Do your friends play team sports? We have practice again tomorrow afternoon. I need to bring my water bottle. The practice session lasts 2 hours usually. We do warm-up exercises before playing. Stretching helps prevent injuries from happening. Our coach checks that everyone is ready. Then we divide into 2 smaller groups. One group practices offense and attacking skills. The other group works on defensive strategies. I am in the defense group today. We learn how to stop the opponents. Defense is just as important as offense. Good defenders protect their team's goal well. The goalkeeper is the last line of defense. She must be brave and very quick. I tried playing goalkeeper last month once. It was harder than I thought before. The ball comes at you very fast. You must decide quickly what to do. Team sports require quick thinking and reactions. I am learning to think faster now. We play a practice match every Friday. These games help us prepare for competitions. Our first real tournament is next month. I am both nervous and excited about it. We will play against 3 other teams. The tournament takes place at the city stadium. That stadium is much bigger than our field. Have you ever been to a big stadium? Thousands of people can watch there together. I hope we perform well in the tournament. Our team has been training very hard lately. Everyone wants to do their best for the team. Team spirit is very important for success always. We encourage each other during difficult moments in games. When someone makes a mistake, we stay positive. Negative attitudes can hurt the whole team badly. Our coach always says teamwork makes the dream work. I believe that saying is really true. No single player can win a game alone. Even the best player needs good teammates around. Basketball has 5 players on the court together. Each player has a specific role to play. The point guard controls the ball and directs plays. The center is usually the tallest team member. He or she plays close to the basket. Forwards score many points for their teams usually. I play as a forward on my team. I practice shooting baskets every single day after school. My shooting accuracy is improving week by week. Last game I scored 12 points for our team. That was my personal best score so far. My teammates were happy and congratulated me warmly. But we still lost the game by 5 points. Losing games is disappointing but teaches us lessons. We analyze what went wrong in our game. The coach shows us video of our mistakes. Watching ourselves play helps us learn and improve. Next time we will defend better against fast breaks. We are going to practice defensive drills tomorrow. Do you ever watch professional team sports on television? Professional athletes train every day for many hours. They dedicate their whole lives to their sport completely. I admire their commitment and hard work very much. Maybe one day I could play professionally too, but that requires years of practice and dedication. For now, I just enjoy playing with friends. Team sports are a great way to stay healthy. Running and jumping give us good cardiovascular exercise daily. We build strong muscles from all the physical activity. Playing sports is more fun than going to gym. I don't like exercising alone at home much. But with my team, I always have motivation. We push each other to work harder together. The social aspect makes sports enjoyable for me. I have made many good friends through sports. We spend time together both on and off field. Last weekend, we went to watch a professional game. The atmosphere in the stadium was absolutely amazing and electric. Thousands of fans were singing and cheering very loudly. The energy from the crowd was incredible to experience. Our team won 3-1 in that match. Everyone celebrated when our team scored each goal beautifully. Watching live sports is different from watching on TV. You can feel the excitement all around you. I want to go to more games this season. Team sports create wonderful memories for people of ages. Some people play team sports their entire lives long. My uncle still plays soccer and he is 50. He says sports keep him young and healthy always. I hope I can play for many years too. Different countries have different popular team sports to enjoy. In America, people love baseball, basketball, and American football. In Europe, soccer is the most popular sport overall. Cricket is very popular in India, Pakistan, and Australia. Each sport has its own unique rules and strategies. Learning a new team sport can be challenging initially. You must understand the rules before you can play. You also need to learn specific skills and techniques. But coaches and teammates will help you learn everything. Everyone was a beginner at some point in time. Don't be afraid to try new team sports regularly. You might discover a sport you really love playing. I tried many sports before finding my favorite one. Now I cannot imagine my life without my team. We are like a second family to each other. Team sports teach important life skills beyond just playing. We learn about cooperation, communication, and working together effectively. We learn how to handle winning and losing gracefully. We develop discipline from attending regular practices and training sessions. We learn to respect rules, referees, and our opponents. These skills help us in school and work later. Employers often like people who played team sports before. They know team players can work well with others. Are you going to join a team sport soon? Many schools and community centers offer team sports programs. You don't need to be excellent to start playing. Everyone can improve with practice and good coaching support. The most important thing is to have fun always. Winning is nice, but enjoying the game matters more. I play because I love the sport itself truly. My team will practice again this Thursday evening at 6. We are preparing for our championship game next Saturday afternoon. This will be the biggest game of our season. We have worked so hard to reach this point. Everyone on the team is ready to give maximum effort. Win or lose, I am proud of my team. We have grown so much together this whole year. Team sports have changed my life in positive ways. I am healthier, happier, and have wonderful friends now. I will always love playing team sports with others. Great job, you finished today's lesson. You practiced 200 sentences. I am very proud of you. Please write your favorite sentence in the comments below. I want to read them. Subscribe to this channel for more English lessons every day. See you in the next video. Keep practicing. You are doing great. Goodbye.